We just got the Huracan lowered yesterday. I dropped it about 3/4 of an inch up front, just over 1 inch in the rear, and today is the big day. Today, she's getting new wheels. The mailman is about to drop off our new wheels and tires for the Huracan. Well, look what the mailman just dropped off. 4 new wheels and 4 new tires. Now I'm a little bit concerned. I don't know how those rear tires are gonna fit on this car. Pretty sure these things are wider than the tires that I run on my Duramax. Let's do a quick measurement. These rears are coming in at 13.75 wide. And on the 2015 Duramax, which by the way, I'm giving away, these guys come in at 14. Very, very close. But yes, you heard that right. I am giving this truck away. First link down below. Every $3 you spend is 1 entry to win that old girl. Go get entered if you want a very solid truck. So we got all 4 wheels opened up. And unfortunately, we have 2 damaged wheels. This rear right here being the worst of it. Nice little chunk out of the lip right there, and even damaged a little bit right there. So I'm waiting on the manufacturer to get back to me. Let's hope they do. In the meantime, I do want to do a test fit just to make sure they are the right width and offset for the Huracan. There's not too much info online as to what specs to actually run to get proper fitment. As you can see, factory, the wheels stick in quite a bit, and I wanted a little bit more flush of a fitment. So let's go ahead and jack the passenger side up and do a nice little test fit. I test fit both front and rear wheels, and these things fit absolutely phenomenal on the Huracan. I'm done waiting around. It's been a couple hours, still no response. I'm not gonna just sit here and look at my car all day. Let's go ahead and start getting on some tires. So we need to pull the sensors out of our OEM Huracan wheels and get those installed into the new wheels. I'll probably just do some touch-up paint. That freaking sucks, man. It's definitely going to be visible with the tire on too. I was hoping it wouldn't be, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be. So one by one, I'm going to bring the OEM wheel over to the tire machine, pull the TPMS sensor out. Let's hope we don't break them. Slap it on the new wheel, get the new tire on, do our ceramic coating. This whole entire car is already coated, so it'll be nice to have the wheels coated as well. And then get it on the car, move on to the next one. All right, tires mounted, balanced. These things balanced out very, very nicely. thankfully. Then I went ahead and got it ceramic coated with my favorite Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King. The last thing I want to do is get that tire coated. I used to not be a big fan of tire gel, and I'm still not, but this new tire coat from Cerakote, this is a very nice OEM looking tire shine, I guess you'd call it. Grab this, spray it on the applicator, go ahead and apply it on your tire, let it soak in, and you are done. As you can see, it's not very glossy, which is what I like. The super high gloss stuff, not the biggest fan of. Last thing we need is the center cap. All right, the first look, man. This is always the most exciting thing in the world. Hopefully she looks good. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Sometimes I'm still in disbelief that I actually own this thing. Moments like this, where we get a new part on the car and it just completely changes the look. Look at this angle right here, man. This freaking shot right here. That shot too. That shot too. That shot too. I guess pretty much every shot and angle of this car is ridiculous. This side still has the stock wheels on it. Puke. No good. Come over to this side. Now we're talking. That is insane. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the driver's side real quick. I wanna get this thing outside ASAP and see how it looks in the sun. Well guys, we got the car outside. Oh my goodness. This thing looks so absurdly amazing. Wow. Here's a good shot of the front. These wheels changed everything. Good shot of the back. Man, oh man. Now that I know they fit properly, here's the specs of these wheels and specs of the tires that I did. The rears are a 21 by 12 with a 32 millimeter offset, and I went with a 325/25/21 tire. Now the fronts are a 20 by 9 33 mil offset with a 245/35/20, and that's how it looks. That is bizarre. Now that it's on the ground, the wheels stick in maybe a 1/4 inch. Of course, I'm not trying to build no stance car, no stance machine. I just wanted it to look proper, look fitted, and it came out perfect. Now, per the manual, these lug bolts go to 103 foot-pounds, and they take a T80 torques. Well, the plan was to go cruise with Bobby in the NSX tonight, but it is about to thunderstorm very, very badly. Not only is it not enjoyable driving supercars in the rain, I practically actually cannot drive this in the rain. The ceramic coating on the wheels takes at least 2 days to dry, and then that tire shine, you should also wait at least a day before getting wet. Overall, very, very pleased with how the Huracan turned out. Like I always say, it's bizarre walking in the shop and knowing that this somehow is mine. Such a beautiful vehicle. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Hope you all enjoyed. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Now, what are you eating? Huh? Let's see it. What you got? What is this? A leaf? How is a leaf good, dude? How is that yummy?